Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a spacer block in WordPress. So firstly, you have to go to a browser and look for wordpress.com. Then simply log into your WordPress account. Over here, this is the interface you're going to see. Here, this is my homepage, and below the quick links option, you can see the edit site option over here. Simply click on the edit site option. It will take you directly to the editor's page of WordPress. As you can see, this is the editor's page of WordPress and this is my blog over here. After you reach the editor side of WordPress, on the left side, you can see the block inserter. Click on the block inserter and search for spacer. And as you can see, this is the spacer icon over here. Just simply drag it to wherever you want to place the spacer. After that, as you can see, I have added the spacer, and this will actually let you manually choose how much space you want from your block to block, and you won't have to actually edit it every time you want to or go to the hassle of choosing the space. You can simply drag down and choose the space you want to, and that is how you add a spacer block in WordPress. Thank you for watching this video. Hope it was helpful to you guys.